In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly create checkboxes in Mymind. Whether you're organizing tasks, planning projects, or simply trying to keep everything in order, knowing how to properly use this feature can be a game changer. To get started, first, head over to your web browser and navigate to mymind.com. Once there, you'll see the option to log into your account. If you already have an account, you can proceed by choosing either Google or Apple ID for a quick and convenient login. For this demonstration, I'll go ahead and choose Google. Simply select the Google option and then pick the Google account you'd like to associate with your Mymind access. This step helps ensure all your data is synced and easily accessible whenever you need it. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which is essentially your control center within Mymind. This is where all the magic happens. To add a new note, look for the option that allows you to do so, generally labeled in a straightforward manner to ensure ease of use. Click on this option to start a new note. Now that you're ready to add content, there are two distinct methods you can use to create checkboxes within your notes. The first method is pretty simple and involves using the square brackets. As you type out your note, inserting these brackets will automatically generate a checkbox. This method is straightforward and works particularly well if you enjoy using keyboard shortcuts or prefer to keep your hands on the keys as much as possible. Alternatively, if you're the type who prefers a more visual approach, there's another method that might suit you better. Begin by entering your information into the note as usual. Once you've done so, highlight the portion of text where you'd like the checkbox to appear. Upon highlighting, a mini toolbar will conveniently appear on your screen. This intuitive toolbar provides a variety of formatting options, and among them you'll find the checkbox icon. Simply click on this icon to insert a checkbox into your note at the selected location. Both methods are incredibly user-friendly and designed to cater to different preferences, ensuring that you can maintain your productivity and organization in a way that feels natural to you. Feel free to experiment with both approaches to see which one aligns best with your workflow. Remember, using checkboxes effectively can help you track your tasks and items more efficiently, enhancing your overall productivity. So there you have it, a quick guide to adding checkboxes in Mymind. With these steps, you should feel confident and empowered to better organize your thoughts and tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.